Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this weekend we are going to That Weekend Festival near Matamata and in the sticks. It's going to be really fun. So there's me, Becca, Cass, who's running late, and Charlotte. So there's 4 of us going, and then Matthew's kindly dropping us there and back on both days. It goes that I'm getting forced. It's so it's over Saturday and Sunday, and it's going to be so much fun. So we're about to get ready. I'm literally wearing this. My face looks really weird because I got fake tan on, so it's like stuck to all my bad skin and I look weird at the moment. But okay, we're about to get ready, and anyway, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Peace. Okay, we're all ready. We took what, like 2 hours. So this is Bex and Cass. Yeah, looking good. I did like this top. It's lingerie, but I use it as a crop, and then and then a little blue bag. Yeah. So that's us. Boy. Okay, we're going in Cass's Vic, and Matthew is the driver. I'ma take you higher. Matthew's driving. Everybody, Charlotte's here now. Yeah. We're driving there. It's going to be another 30 minutes, so we're drinking in the car. I'm having Smirnoff short. Damn, sexy bitch. Becca's got the vodka. We couldn't figure out. We couldn't figure out whose door light was not finished.
We peed behind the brick wall, so now we're off to the...
And Matthew wants to go home for dinner.
Because he's over the shit.
Okay, we're with Zach.
Yeah, one more song.
Becca's got him.
We got Daddy!
It's called McDonald's time. Because we're starved. Yum.
Big gullet.
Yum, it's plastic.
Say hello.
Yum, it's plastic.
Are you ready to place your order now?
Yeah, could I, what
Big
family
fucking
meals
Mac.
do you guys do?
Big fucking Mac. It's a placement.
We have the $30.
This one's delicious. It's a £1/4. Hey guys, we're alive. We ended up getting McDonald's last night and got back at like 3 in the morning. But we're going to be brave and we're going to do round 2. So we've still got the wristbands on, and yeah, so there's Lude playing tonight in the Black Seeds and we really want to see them. Cass and Becca and I just made breakfast. We had eggs with avocado and salt and pepper. It was so nice. I'm about to have a shower because I'm like looking a bit gross at the moment, and we literally have to get ready in like another 40 minutes. So I was like, oh my gosh, So yeah, but anyway, last night was so fun. It was so good. The music was really good. The Veronica's was like the hit. Like it was so nice. There was heaps of house music. We're just like bopping to the music like all night. Like it was so fun. So yeah, anyway, round 2 it is. It's currently 2:40 and we're getting ready. Yeah, we're doing round 2. We're going for gold. So we're just getting ready in the room. Cass is on the desk. Becca's in the mirror and I'm here by the tripod. Round 2, this is the hair and outfits. Got Cass's shorts on and this top is from Dottie, very cute. Hair is a little curled. There's Charlotte coming from a uni dorm. Just hooked Charlotte up. Hi Charlotte. Charlotte! 6 cans deep!
No, I have not started drinking.
Oh, God. Matthew was getting impatient, so we're literally in a fucking bush with cicadas. We're still in the bush drinking because this is what we do best.
Really good.
It makes me feel really fine. Every little word that you say to me keeps my heart on time. Sweet and sour stolen again. Stolen yet again. She wanted to do sweet and sour.
That's so good.
Vibe by the pork. She had her pork fixing, so she's very stoked.
It was good.
Here's the pork.
How are you, man? I love it. What the fuck?
Cass's buttering pretty. Look how soaked we are. We're wet. The fuck. That's fucking good. Sensational spreads. Becca eating the whole packet. Sensational worms. Hey everyone, so it is currently 12:10. We all woke up, like Cass and Becca woke up at 8. My voice is like fully run out, and I woke up at like 10:20. My voice always runs out when I'm at like gigs and concerts because I like just decide to scream. I look so tired right now and I'm getting like a sty in my eye. So it's like great. But this house is a mess. Matthew just vacuumed. We just tidied all the like kitchen kind of. But this is what we're working with. This is what we're working with. So there's like shit everywhere. You should see the wardrobe. And oh, that's fake tan. Don't even look at that. It's reality. Need to get all this shit cleaned. I just tidied the spare room in here. Not too bad. I do need to make the bed though eventually. My uncle's staying later in the week. This is the room we've been mostly in, so it is very messy. I've tidied a little bit, but I need to do a little bit more. Anyway, guys, I had such a fun time. Oh my gosh, that was like a good gig, and it was good company, and it was really fun, and we're just like dancing the night away, and just meet lots of new people. I like that about these festival and gigs. Like, always like meeting new people. It was so fun. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to see more vlog content, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday. I'm just going to tidy up the house now, have a shower. I didn't have one last night, yuck. And Becca's gone now. She only just left like 10 minutes ago. She's driving to my mum and dad's place and seeing them for a bit, and then Cass left like 10 minutes before her. So yeah, it was so good having them around. So yay, now I can enjoy some quiet time. So hope you guys like this, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye.